Hey everyone, welcome back to AnHome channel. Are you looking to save those awesome Instagram reels to your device? You're in luck. Today, we're breaking down the steps to download your favorite reels. Let's jump right in. Step 1, open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Scene 2, find the reel, navigate to the Reels tab at the bottom. Scroll through until you find the reel you want to download. Scene 3, download your own reel. If it's your own reel, tap to view it. Then, hit the 3 dots on the bottom right and select Save to Camera Roll. Your reel will download directly to your device. Scene 4, downloading others' reels. To download someone else's reel, use the screen recording feature on your phone. Swipe down to access the control center and start the screen recording. Then, play the reel in full screen mode, and there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an Instagram reel. For more tips and tricks, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AnHome channel. See you in the next video.